going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage, back with a little behind the scenes clip here. It's going to be a short video today. Just wanted to bring you guys over here and show you what I'm working on. So let me take the camera down there and we'll take a closer look. Alright, some of you may already know what is going on here, some may not. So let's go ahead and go through this. The whole idea of this high banker here I'm making is I'm trying to keep it as cheap as possible, and about 90% of the stuff was free to me. Start off with this little pan here. This is some type of galvanized coated steel. Got it out of the garbage, and along with these, previously I believe they were legs to maybe a fire pit or something. I picked them up at a garage sale in a free pile, and this bucket was also free. And I'm sure we all know about the matting here. This was not free, and this would be one of the 2 items in this build that was not free. So we'll have to buy a bilge pump and hose kit and fitting for the bucket as well. But as far as that, I'm trying to spend no money, and this is a budget friendly build. So let me go ahead and mock everything. Alrighty, we have everything mocked up besides the matting in there, and you can basically see what I'm going for here. I do have some other options for the legs, however I'd just like to start out with these and see what it does and where it goes. Thinking about maybe just putting a 1 or 2 inch gap in the bottom flooring at the end here versus cutting it all the way off. And what that'll do is just give me an extra support, and I'll probably run me some matting. Ooh, nice save. And we might have to just let it fall. Yeah, it's not one to stay. Alright, we get the point. Whew. If you was not awake, you are now. That's all I can say. We'll probably run the matting full length there. So I just want to do a little behind the scenes video before I start getting into this build. So if you're interested in following along, like the video, subscribe, and you'll see the finished product later in the video. So thanks for watching.